Hi guys, let me show you on this quick tutorial how you can install OBS in your Mac. Now, you want to open your web browser, and in there you want to search for the official website of OBS. You can also copy and paste it from the link in the description down below. Once you find it and you have it open, here you have the option to select Mac OS. Click on it, and it's going to give you two different options, macOS Intel and macOS Apple Silicon. That is depending on the processor that you have in your Mac. You can check it if you know it and select the proper one. In my case, I'm going to select macOS Apple Silicon. Click on it. It's going to ask you if you want to allow downloads on OBS project. Click into allow. And now it's going to get download. Now you can wait a couple of minutes until the download is done.
A few moments later.
Now you can close the web browser, go into your downloads, and click in the OBS Studio download file that we just did. Now to install it, you want to grab it from the left side and drop it into the right side. Now this is installed in your macOS. Now you want to open it by double-clicking into it. OBS is an application downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click into open. And in here you need to give some permissions to OBS to be able to screen record, use your camera, microphone, and everything else. So you want to click into open screen recording preference and allow OBS. You can click into later there because we still need to request access to the camera, and click into allow, and the microphone, and click into allow. Now you want to click into continue, click into OK. And here it is going to give you some options, depending if you want to optimize for streaming and recording in secondary, or just for recording. I'm going to be using it for recording mostly, so I'm going to select this right here, click into next. Select your display if you have more than one, and here the frames per second, click into next. And this is going to show you the best option that this is going to choose for the system that you have. Then you want to click into apply settings. Now, you want to close OBS to be able to record your screen. Close it. And now you want to open OBS once more. And right here into the sources, you can add where is it? macOS screen capture. And click into OK. It's going to bypass the system privacy window picker. Click into allow. And right here, you're going to have the display that you're using. Click into OK. And now you have OBS working in your Mac device. Now, if you don't know how to record the internal audio of your macOS, click in this video because I already made it a long time ago. And this is something I don't know why Apple doesn't allow it, but it is what it is. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like into it and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials in Apple or PC and different things, reviews that I do on the channel. You are more than welcome. It's free, and here I am to help you guys. Thanks for watching, my friends. See you guys on the next time. Bye-bye.